So I have a story here, and I'm going to give you a tip. One of my tips is that sometimes when we don't punctuate, we, instead of putting a punctuation mark, we put an and or a then or a so in its place. And so then we've got a lot of and, or then, or so, right? When really we need some punctuation. Really we need some periods, exclamation marks, and question marks. So be on the lookout for those words as clues that maybe there should be a period there instead of the word and. So will you help me? We're going to look at this together, and we're going to think about where maybe should I put some punctuation, because right now it sounds like this. Yesterday something ran through our kitchen, and I thought it was a mouse, and it wasn't, and it was a possum, and my bedroom door doesn't lock, so when I went to sleep, I slept with the lights on, and then I knew possums don't like lights, so I thought I was safe, but in the middle of the night I looked down and beady eyes were staring at me, and I ran... Right? Like, I can't even understand that story. I got to take a breath. So let's look for places where we need to take a breath, and let's look for places where we've heard the who and the what, and now we can end our sentence. So let's take a look. Yesterday something ran through our kitchen. Do you think that's a good spot to take a breath? Let's try it. Yesterday something ran through our kitchen, and I thought it was a mouse, and it wasn't. Oh, then I start going on. So, Yesterday something ran through our kitchen. I think you're right. I think we need to take a breath there. Period. And I thought it was a mouse, and it wasn't, and it was a possum in my bedroom. I'm almost thinking, let's get rid of this and now. Yesterday something ran through our kitchen. I thought it was a mouse, and it wasn't. Does that have a who? I is the who. What happened? I thought it was a mouse, and it wasn't. So that's kind of the what. So I think a period could maybe go there. I thought it was a mouse, and it wasn't. That sounds okay. I could stop there. And it was a possum, and my bedroom door doesn't lock, so when I went to sleep, I got it. So let's get rid of this and again. It, capital, wasn't a possum. That's got a who and a what, right? And my bedroom door doesn't lock, so when I went to sleep, I slept with the lights on, and then, let's see, where would I take a breath? And my bedroom door doesn't lock. So when I went to sleep, I slept with the lights on. There's some of those clue words. And so let's get rid of this and. My bedroom door doesn't lock. So when I went to sleep, I slept with the lights on. That sounds okay, right? My bedroom door doesn't lock. Maybe we can put a comma here. So when I went to sleep, I slept with the lights on, period. And let's get rid of that. And let's get rid of that then. We don't need all those clue words, right? I knew opossums don't like lights, and so I thought I was safe. I knew opossums don't like lights. How about that? So I thought I was safe, period. Okay, you keep going. See if you can work with your partner right now, turn and talk, and see if you can figure out some other parts in the story where maybe the writer should have put in a period instead of using and so then. Go ahead and look. Turn and talk. What are you thinking? So let me go. So I thought I was safe. I'm going to get rid of this. So did you guys get rid of this? I thought I was safe, period. But in the middle of the night, so maybe in the middle of the night, I looked down and beady eyes were staring at me, period. I ran and ran and ran outside, period. Then I was in the dark outside in my pajamas, period. Are that some of the places that you decided to put in periods? But you see how when I slow this down, I can really understand it as a reader? Yesterday, something ran through our kitchen. I thought it was a mouse, and it wasn't. It was a possum. My bedroom door doesn't lock, so when I went to sleep, I slept with the lights on. I knew possums don't like lights. I thought I was safe. In the middle of the night, I looked down, and beady eyes were staring at me. I ran and ran and ran outside. Maybe I even do this. Do you see how much more I can understand this story when I can take a breath and I can slow it down and I can look for the who and the what in each sentence? All right, writer.